Hi, today I'll show you how to get started with the KIS List app. Once you're logged into the app, it's time to create your first shopping specification. To do that, click the large green plus in the top left corner. Then give your specification a name and create a section. Sections are usually the names of rooms, for example, living room, kitchen, bathroom. Now it's time to add your first product to the specification. Go to any store website. Click the KISer web clipper icon, and it will automatically extract product data such as the image, name, price, and link. If you want to add extra information to the plugin, like a note, simply highlight any content on the page and choose the field you'd like to add it to. Then, just select the list you want to add the product to, along with the section. Finally, click Save, and you're done! The product, along with the information collected by the web clipper, will be automatically added to the specification you created. While working on a specification, you can hide a product from your client. Just hover over the product bar, and to the left of the product image, you'll see a blue eye icon. When you click it, the product will be hidden. This means that if you export the list or share it online with the client, hidden products will not be visible. You can also mark specific products as options. To do this, hover over the product bar and click the geometric shapes icon in the top left corner of the product image. The product will be marked as optional, and when you send the client the shopping list, they will see the label Option next to it. Importantly, the price of any hidden or optional product will not be included in the project total. Once your product specification is ready, it's time to share it with your client. You can send the entire specification or just a portion of it. To prepare a fragment of the specification for sharing, use the filters available at the top of the specification view. You can filter the specification by section, product category status, or supplier name. Here are 3 ways you can share a specification with your client directly from the app. First method, you can export the entire specification or a part of it to a PDF or Excel file. Simply click the 3 dots in the top menu bar and select Export List. Then, decide which elements of the list should be visible to the client. After selecting the visible elements, click Download PDF or Excel file, and your list will be downloaded. Second method, you can send the entire specification or a part of it to your client as an online proposal. To do this, click the envelope icon in the top menu bar. On the right-hand side, choose which specification elements should be visible to the client. You can also decide whether the client can add comments to products or reject items from the list. When sending a proposal, you can specify a deadline for the client's decision. If you don't set one, the client will be able to accept or reject each product only once, meaning they can only click the decision field 1 time per product. On the left-hand side, you'll find fields to enter the client's email, message subject, and message content that will be sent along with the link to the proposal. Third method, you can share the entire specification with the client in an online format. By using the Share Specification option, you give your client access to the full list, even if it's filtered, but without the hidden products. To do this, click the Share icon in the top menu bar. Decide which elements of the specification will be visible to the client. Then choose whether the client can accept or reject products and whether they can add comments. Next, enter the client's email address and the message content. Click Share and Send. And done. Importantly, any changes made to the specification will be visible to the client in real time. Let's now see what the shared specification or proposal looks like from the client's perspective. When the client clicks the sent link, they will be taken to an interactive specification. There, the client can accept or reject products and add comments. Once they do so, you'll see this reflected in your version of the specification. The speech bubble icon on the product image will turn blue, indicating that the client has added a comment. Just click it, and you'll be able to respond directly. Additionally, to the left of the product name, a decision icon will appear. This will show whether the client accepted or rejected the product, or hasn't made a decision yet. When you reply to a client's comment, they'll see your response in their version of the specification. Favorite Products Library. Using the Web Clipper, you can build a library of your favorite products. To add a product to your favorites, simply launch the Web Clipper while viewing any product page. Select Save to Favorites from the list and choose the folder where you want to store it. Once you've decided, click Save. The Favorite Products Library in the KIS List app is an organized collection of product images along with their prices and links. You can filter your library in many ways, by folder, category, product name, color, or price. This makes it easy to quickly find the product you're looking for. While creating a specification, you can also add products directly from your favorites library. Just click the star icon in the top menu bar, and your favorites will be displayed, ready for you to add any product straight into the specification. The KIS List app is full of exceptional features, all designed to speed up your workflow and make creating specifications easy and enjoyable. If you have any questions, feel free to write to us in the app chat or at the email address provided in the description.